everyone, in this video I will show you how to do increases and decreases. Before we start with this new course video, I would like to thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate that, and if you are new to my channel or if you have been here before but didn't subscribe yet, then please take a moment and please subscribe. It really helps my channel. And if you have watched this video and you think, yeah, I did like that, then please give me a thumbs up, and I would really appreciate it. Let's get started. I have two samples here, and these will be in the stitch library on my website. And here it shows that I have done increases of, in this case, double crochets. And in this case, and I will take it a little bit here, maybe you can see it a little bit better. Here I have made double crochets together. And of course, if you make something like a sweater or something else, you know, your project sometimes calls for increases and decreases. But to make increases and decreases, it does not only have to be functional, it can be decorative, like in these samples. And well, I will show you how to do it. It's not hard at all. And I have made a little, piece where I can work into. And first start with the single crochet. When you do a single crochet, you pull up a loop, and then again you wrap and pull through two. Now, if you have to make two single crochets together, then you start your stitch like normal, and you pull up the loop, but then you stop, and then you go to the next stitch and start that single crochet, that second single crochet, and then stop. So now you have 3 loops on your hook, and then you make a wrap and you pull through both. So let's do that one more time. Here, pull up a loop, then go to the stitch next to it, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and then wrap and pull through both stitches. So each time you made 1 stitch out of 2. You don't necessarily have to do 2 stitches together. It depends on the pattern that you're making, so always check your pattern. So suppose you have to do a single crochet together, but you have to skip the middle of it. So then you start here with your single crochet, and then you skip this one, and then you do here the start of your next single crochet, and then wrap and pull through 2. So you see now also that your work is curving, because we did decreases, and you have special types of patterns that when you combine increases and decreases, you get a kind of zigzag or chevron, and that's very fun. And well, I have now made 2 single crochets together, and let's pull out a little bit and get back to where we started. It is also possible to do 3 single crochets together. So it's actually a repeat of what we did. So this is the first one, this is the next one, and then we go to the third one. So now we have 4 loops on our hook, and then we make a wrap and pull through all loops on your hook. So now we have made 1 stitch out of 3. So yeah, that's very easy, and well, if your pattern says that you have to make 4 or even 5 or even more, I don't know, that is the way you do it. Well, let's do the same thing for double crochets. So when you do a double crochet, you insert, you pull up a loop, and then you get a loop and pull through 2, and then you pull through 2. So let's now do 2 double crochets together. So we start making our double crochet. We pull up a loop, and then we continue this stitch and we pull it through 2, and then we stop here. So now you are at the point that you only would have to do a wrap and pull through 2 to finish it, but we stop here. And then we go to the next stitch here. We start with our double crochet, and then we pull through the 2 loops with the wrap, and then we have the first parts of these 2 stitches, and then we wrap and pull through all 3 loops on our hook. So now we have made 2 double crochets together. Well, next let's do 3 together. So make a wrap, start your double crochet like normal, pull up that loop and pull through 2. So this is the first, and then we go to the second. So pull up a loop, pull through 2, wait, keep them on your hook, and then wrap, start your double crochet, and now we have 3 that are partially done, and then we wrap and pull through all loops on your hook. So you can do 3 together, you can do 4 together, and well, what I've shown you now is kind of the traditional default way to decrease. There are other ways for decreasing single crochets, and especially for double crochets there are different methods that have a different effect, and I will probably sorry, I'm Dutch, I sometimes stumble over my English. I will put it on my to-do list and make a separate video about the other methods, but for now, as the base course, I wanted to show you this. And well, next thing I wanted to show you are the increases. So I will pull this out again, and well, increases are super easy. So suppose you have to do an increase with single crochets, and you have to make 2 stitches out of 1. Then you first start making your first single crochet, and you simply finish the stitch. Now for the second stitch you insert into the same loop where you did your first one. So simply go into that and make your single crochet. So now you have an increase of 2 single crochets, and of course you can do that for 3, 4, depending on your project. And Well, let's now do first a normal double crochet to get the height. And suppose you have to do 3 double crochets or an increase of 2, so make 3 out of 1. So this is the stitch here where we will work into. Make your first double crochet into that stitch here. Again, make the second one into that stitch here and make a third one into that same stitch. So it's as easy as that. And I will show you my examples that I made. These yellow ones are the increases where I did 3 double crochets into 1 stitch. And if you have patterns like this, where you just simply have a rectangle, then you have the same number of stitches always. And if you do an increase, then you have to compensate that by skipping stitches from the row before that, so that you in the end have the same number of stitches on each row. So this is an example, and all these examples will be on my website, and I will also make videos for it. They will be in the stitch library. At this moment I still have to make the videos, so if they are not yet there, they will be there soon. And this is another example here where I did 3 double crochets into 1 stitch and I skipped here, and this is just a slightly different pattern and very nice as well. And here are my examples of working stitches together. I hope you can see it here. Here I have 2 double crochets that are worked together, and here also, here also, here also, and the row below it is just a normal row of double crochets, and the row below it is with the double crochets that are worked together. And in this example here, I have worked these double crochets together in every row. So yeah, it's a very fun pattern. And like I said, please check out my website for the patterns and for a lot more. I will have on my website for these samples, I have the pattern chart, I have the description for it, and you can download it there. Go there, check it out. And again, if you like this video, please don't forget to have a thumbs up for me. It really helps my channel, it really does. And I will see you back in the next video.